morning, children. Very good morning. How are you all? Fine. So, should we start today class? Okay. Yesterday, have you done the practice of Varnamala letters? Okay. In which notebook have you done the practice? In the rough book or class book? Okay. In the rough book, you have done the practice. Good. Very good. So, you maintain your class notebook different and rough notebooks are different. Okay. Whatever the last year notebooks do you have? You have your notebooks, isn't it? Old notebooks. In that notebooks you can do the Varnamala letters practice. Okay, children. Now you came to second class, isn't it? Okay. So first class you had learned. I had given this information to you that you had learned already this Varnamala letters in class first. Okay. Now why I am teaching this again? Why? Tell me now. Yes, only for to recap this session. You are all in class second now. You came to class second. You are not in class 1 now. Okay. But if you learn this A to Gnya Varnamala letters, once again, very clearly, if you do this practice 2 or 3 times or more than 3 times, what happens? You can understand the letters. Identification of letters are very most important. If you don't know which letter it is, then how could you learn Hindi words? Isn't it? So letters in Varnamala are so important. That most important is the way how you are going to pronounce. Okay. So in Hindi, what do you say? उच्चारण. यानी कि क्या हिंदी में जब उच्चारण से आवाज लगाकर लिखना है, मुंह बंद रखकर कभी नहीं लिखना. समझे ना? जैसे जैसे अक्षर लिखते जाते वैसा वैसा आप लोग बोलकर लिखना. जैसा now listen what I said in Hindi now just now. Whichever the letter you are writing, you say and write. Okay, children, had you understand me? Whichever the letter you are writing, stress that letter. If it is slow sound, very small font, sound is very short, then you say short sound. If the sound is very big, louder, and you are giving the stress on the letter, then you stress the letter and say. Is it clear, children, now? So before I start the class, I am giving all this just like introduction, and I am informing you to be alert while writing. Okay, and keep the concentration. Letters you are recapping. Okay, when you recap all those letters, if you get well practiced, then easily you can flow the words. You can learn the textbook also, isn't it? Now here I am using without any matra words. First we are going to learn without any matra words. Last year you had learned, no? What you learned last year? We wrote 2 letter words, nal, ghar, tub, isn't it? In 3 letter words, kamal, jalaj. So like this, naram, garam, 3 letter words. 4 letter words we had learned, adrak, achkan, ajgar, sharbat, panghat. Like those words you had learned. So there is no matra. Matra means what? You are giving the long sound. Ah, e. That sound you didn't learn like that. Just simple you learn nal, ghar, chad, chat par chad. That is a simple sentence, isn't it? You had learned, you are remembering now? Oh, yes, okay. I never taught you with matra words, any words. Okay, ka, na, mala. Had I taught you like this? No. Without any matra only you had learned. Now also we are learning for the first stage without any matra. Afterwards I will teach you the matra sound. Okay. Now in Telugu you will say, and I don't want to make you confused. Telugu, why I am saying, that is you should know it. What is the meaning of matra? That is the way. Dirgalu antar. Okay na? So in Telugu you are saying, that is dragging the sounds of the matra. Here without any dragging the sound of the letters, now we are going to learn only Varnamala. Simple first Varnamala. Later on I will show you the next thing. Okay. Now let's start the class. First is A to Ahar. Okay. Now see teacher how I wrote here. Place the finger gap in between 2 letters. Listen here. A से अनार. A से क्या बनता? अनार. चलो next letter क्या बन गया? A. Don't say A. This is A. Here the second letter you are dragging. A. Okay. You drag the letter. A. This is A say Am. The next letter is E. It is a short sound. Okay. E. ई से क्या बनता? इमली। ई से क्या बनता? ई से इमली है खट्टी मीठी, इसकी चटनी अच्छी लगती। Got it now? How do you remember this song? Is this right? Okay, very good. So the first letter A से अनार, what you learned? Which poem you learned? A से अनार, अनार के दाने लाल, खाकर डब्बू हुआ निहाल, है ना? तो ये सब पढ़े ना, याद है ना आप सभी को? वेरी गुड. सो आ से आम क्या आया? कौन सा गीत आ रहा? आ से आम. आ से आम है फलों का राजा, कितना मीठा कितना ताजा. Okay, very nice. Now like that each and every line we learn the rhymes and we enjoyed last year. Okay, but here no, without any rhymes we are going to learn and write. Okay, E से ईख, U से उल्लू. See here, U से उल्लू, U से ऊन. Here still a, e, u, u. Stop. You are not dragging after re. Okay. Still u se un, you are dragging the letters. Okay, Nana. Here we are going to start. Re se rishi. Don't say ru. It is re. Re se rishi. The next letter is a. A se edi. I say ainak. Give the stroke properly. Yesterday I had shown you how to write. O से ओखली, औ से औषध. Strokes give the properly done. Don't circle it. Just place a simple dot. Aha. What is this? Aha. Finish. So how many letters are there in A to aha? कितने अक्षर है A से लेकर aha तक? 13 अक्षर. Teacher, 13 अक्षर means what? 13 letters. Okay, how many letters are there A to aha? 13 letters. Okay. Now let me go to the next Vyanjan. So what is Vyanjan? I'll show you now. I'll explain. Now we are going to learn Vyanjan. Okay. Now listen here. K से कमल, K से कमल, ख से खरगोश. Yesterday I had shown you how to write kha. Please don't take this turn, children. You don't write kha like this. Double turn. This is wrong. While writing, you do it very carefully. See here. You don't write like this. This is wrong. Don't follow this. Okay, kha. You are just go upward, bring it down and take a turn. This is kha. Okay. Now the next letter is g. Now listen here. It is very simple. Very easy. This is g. G से gamala. Finger gap. This is g. And this is ni. Don't circle it here also. Just place a dot beside the letter. Ni. So see, look at your finger gap space. How teacher had given. Okay, fine. The next row is, what is the next row? K से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से गमला, घ से घड़ा, नी से खाली. Oh, good. Okay, second row. This is ch. Ch से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, झ से झंडा, नी से खाली. Finish. Okay, the next one. Here, please, j also you write neatly. Don't write like this. This is wrong. Straight line, small line, then give a turn. This is the way you should write j. Okay. Next one, t. T से टमाटर, ठ से ठटेरा. Don't keep the dot inside it. Okay. ड से डमरू, ढ से ढक्कन, अणा से खाली. For da and dhas, look at here. Don't write da like this. This is wrong. When you are giving the turn for dha se dhakkan, just stop it here. Don't bring it out. And ana, it should be same like this. One is smaller, one is dragging the letter. Don't write like this. Ana, wrong. Understand? So please be careful while writing. This is dha. Okay. The next letter again we are going for ta. Ta से क्या बनता? तबला. गुड. थ से थर्मस, द से दरवाजा, dha say dhanush. See, look at your dha, how I am writing. I am not giving the complete line on the above the dha. Okay, otherwise it becomes gha. This is na say null. For dha, circle it. You just curve inside, bring it out, go upward, drag the line. Just give a small line on the straight line. Okay, don't drag the line like this complete. This is wrong. Okay, Nana? This is na. Na say null. The next one is pa say patang. Pa say patang. Fa say fal. Ba say batak. Give the line. Bha. Bha say bhavan. Ma say machali. See, for bha and ma, look at the difference now. See, for bha, you had given you just curve this line, curve the letter, and you had given only for single line. For ma, you are giving the complete line. Okay, don't drag the letters every time so lengthy. The letter is very small, you give that particular line on the letter. Okay, next one. Ya. We'll come to the ya. Here you won't get 5 letters, here you are going to get 11 letters. Okay, see here. Ra. Ra say, ya say yagna, ra say rasi, la say laddu, va say vak, sha. How to write sha? See here. Drag the small line and turn it. Sha. This is sha. This is sa. And this is ha. I know everyone will follow this ha letter. Okay. Please follow this letter. This is ksha. This is tra. This is nya. Completed. Okay. Now listen here. Hindi full stop. This is you are giving Hindi full stop. Okay. Now listen here. Ha I had shown you last year. This year also I am showing you. Please children, you don't write this ha. This is not ha or either like this. This don't follow this one. Ha you should have to follow. Look at here. Just bring it down and don't lift your finger. One first row, second row, third. Take the curve. That's it. Ha. This is correct. Okay, children. Follow these letters. While writing sha also be careful. Don't write sha like this. Some children they will write like this. No. Please avoid writing like this sha. This is the correct way of writing sha. Okay, children. Follow those letters and write neatly. Look at that. All the letters are coming on the correct track. Okay. Please don't write the letters very so clumsy, children. If you write very near like this. If your writing goes on writing without any finger gap, is it good handwriting? See how teacher is writing. Is it good? No, this is not good handwriting. Okay. So you follow this handwriting. Keep your pencil very sharp and write the correct formation of this letters A to Gnya. And see the differences and look at the sounds. K, kh, g, gh, ni. Stress the letter. Second letter always for the second letters. I mean second and fourth letter are stressed letters. First and third letters are small sounds. Second and fourth letters are bigger sounds. Okay. So bigger and short sounds. What is the difference here? First letters are coming under what? K to pa. Single tone sounds. Okay. K, ch, t, t, pa. This is a sound. But for the second row, how you are getting all the sounds are where you have to give more stress on the letter. That is k. Then for the fourth letter again g. Second row, second letter ch. Fourth letter j. So every second and fourth letter you are giving the stress. Okay. Stress the letter and pronounce it properly. If you pronounce the letters properly, then you can learn the words. Okay. You should say jash, not jasa. Okay, some sounds are there. If you take that is what is it? Khargosh. Will you say kargosh or khargosh? Khargosh, not kargosh, isn't it? For will you say gamala, ghada? Difference is there. You won't say gamala ka ghamala. Will you say no? That is wrong. Which is correct? Gamala. This is ghada. There you can't say gada, isn't it? So it is gha, ghada. Cha, chatari. You won't say chatari. Will you say chatari, chatari or chatari? Chatari. Good. Very good. So like this you have to pronounce and write the letters, children. Please say and write. Don't keep your mouth ma and write. Say. When you are writing letter A, then you say A. This is A. Drag the letter A. Then take this letter E. Then again you drag the letter E. Understand? So please pronounce each and every letter and do this practice. Write very neatly. Your phone should be very neat. Isn't it? Last year also I taught you the same way. In your project book you used to write and you had got the for a formative assessment also we gave the marks for you. Isn't it, for a good handwriting purpose? Already you know this all these letters, but this is only for your recap session. Okay children? Then afterwards I will teach you the words. Okay, if you perfect all those letters, then I can teach you the words very easily for you to learn also. Okay, identification of letters are very most important. If you don't know the identification of letters, how could you learn? If I ask you what is this letter, will you say? Yes, you should have to say this is na, say null, teacher. If I ask what is this letter, then you should say ja, say jad. Isn't it? Now if I ask suddenly what is this, which letter it is? Tha, say thermos. Now what is this letter? Ra, say rassi. Okay. So like this, whichever the letters if I am asking you, you should say very fast. If you are getting identification of letters, then you can learn very easily all the words. Your words will be flow very easily. Understand all of you? So this is the most and very most important class for you all children. For the second class, this is the basics for you. Understand? So step by step I will take you to the Matrayan. Still that you follow this letters only. If you want to learn Matrayan, you want to learn some new words, then you have to do this practice more. Then only I can go for the new class. Isn't it? So come on, write very neatly and show the best good impression in your classroom notebook to your parents and to your ma'am and to me also. When the school reopens, I'll check your Hindi class notebook. I'll give the marks for you all. Okay children? Thank you. Copy down.